Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off haptic on the keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you guys feel disturbed because of haptic on your keyboard, because every time you type on the touch of keyboard there will be a haptic and you guys annoyed because of it, don't need to be worried because you can turn it off. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first that you have to do is now you can show your keyboard, and if it haptics, now you can go to settings menu and then go to preferences, scroll down, and here now you can turn off the haptic feedback on the keyboard so that your keyboard will not vibrate again. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you on next video.